Hi guys, Rob Mahass, CNR, up in Tremont, Utah. Today I want to go over a 2023 RPM 34-foot snowmobile trailer. These are different than any other trailer you've ever seen. For one, I'll start over here. This trailer has a 40,000 BTU furnace in it that's going to be ducted through almost everything in the trailer. What's cool about this, and I'll go into a little bit later, it's got the cold weather package, a second 40,000 BTU furnace. So 80,000 BTUs of furnace, 12 volt propane. This is all open. This is finished very nicely with the big tanks, 6 volt batteries. This trailer comes standard with solar. You can upgrade it to over 300 watts of solar if you want. All the black diamond around here, this is all aluminum skimmed. Pretty cool little thing. The RPM up here lights up when you turn on your lights. Looks really cool at night. LED lights all the way around. This one we actually ordered without the front door, which a lot of people like because it gives you more wall space inside for hanging all your goodies. A couple of fuel doors. You get enough sleds in here where you can't reach the fuel just going through the door, so those are pretty handy. All these RPMs also have an option of a 40-gallon fuel cell with a pump station in the front, or an 80-gallon fuel cell, which would be 2 40s. Power door is not standard, but it's not a super expensive option. One that almost everybody does. Talked about two 40,000 BTU furnaces. If you notice these holes in the floor, it's going to blow heat right up on the track of your snowmobile. This one's not equipped with it, but they do offer an option called a tunnel sling, which is going to have an extra beam through here with an eye hook in it. This one is not equipped with it. Workbench, oil racks. I'm going to tear down this radio, which they really thumped. A big kicker system. USB ports everywhere. Helmets, 40,000 BTU furnace. Gloves, boots, coats, heated from the floor. Onesie rack, heated from the floor. 100% LED lights. Nice cabinet, lots of storage. This cabinet is heated. This cabinet is heated. Favorite cold beverage, every one of the RPMs. This is nice being the gooseneck if you want to throw a little mattress or something up there. Pull and stay the night in the parking lot. That's a quick run around on the 2023 RPM 34-foot gooseneck.